Hi guys, I'm trying my hand here at an unboxing video, and this is the Mio Mivue 792 Dashcam. So this package is worth about 700-800 ringgit, depending on where you buy lah. That's the recommended retail price. And so from the box outside, we can see it has low light sensor. It records in full HD, all right, 60 frames per second, 1080 pixels. Got Wi-Fi, got GPS, and it has a Sony sourced high quality Starvis sensor, which is claimed here for optimal contrast, clear rich colors, especially in low light conditions. Also comes with an SD card, and look at the back of the package. Here it mentions Starvis sensor. So it also has so the camera is capable of opening its aperture up to f1.8, which is of course for the benefit of low light recording. Okay, it's plug and play, and time setting is automatic by GPS. So parking monitor mode allows setting to automatically start recording when vehicle vibrations or motion in front of camera is detected. Of course, there must be sufficient power remaining for this function to work. Optional purchase of Mio Smart Box cable is recommended. Now, this is of course when your engine is off, the ability of this feature to switch to activate really depends on the amount of battery left in the system. But if you can power it, it is a useful feature to safeguard yourself against hit and run cases when you're on the move. What it says here: supports dual lens synchronized recording. So means that if you buy a rear camera, all right, you can synchronize the recording of the two images in your video file. Okay, so Wi-Fi real-time mobile backup. Use only one button to back up the current video onto a mobile phone, which can be shared onto cloud platforms, making video transmission even more real-time. GPS speed camera warning. So any areas that are marked with as speed cameras on GPS maps, the system will warn you. And it has supports up to 128 gig SD card for memory, and there's also a MyView app which you can download on Apple App Store or Google Play. So without wasting time, let's open it up. Right. Okay, and what do we have here? It's the memory card, micro SD 16 gig. This has to be the dash cam, instruction manual, and this is the stick-on mount. Okay, so let me open the mount first. So the mount provided, this is a permanent type of mount, 3M with 3M tape. All right. So getting to know your dash cam. So this one here, this is the instruction sheet, and yeah, so it shows you the dash cam here, various views of the dash cam, and also the mounting instructions. Okay, let's put this aside. Here's the power cable. Okay, connects to the cigarette lighter or the 12-volt socket. So I mean, nowadays common practice is to, when you want to put a dash cam in your car, you will hardwire it into your vehicle's wiring. Some of us are a bit more reluctant to do so for fear of tampering with your car's wiring, voiding warranty and all that. So if you have such concerns, this allows you to plug the dash cam into the 12-volt socket. Let's just open this up and see how long this wire is. Okay, it's pretty long. It should, yeah. So what can happen is you can probably fit this on top of the windscreen, and you can run around the frame of the windscreen and, you know, to the center console. Okay, let me just put this aside and we will unbox this guy here. The dash cam here is contained inside this foam bag. Inside the foam bag is contained within another plastic bag, which we will now open. And here we have it. It's the dash cam. There's a little small plastic there covering the lens. We'll take that out. And yep, more plastic peeling action right there. So a rather slim unit, okay, which I think will tuck in nicely out of view behind the rear view mirror after you install it. So it doesn't really get in the way of your sight. Screen looks decently large, covers the whole real estate. Here is the slot for the SD card, which we shall now insert it. Okay, now let's stick in the SD card. And well, there is the port for you to plug in the power cable. And here, but let's install the mount first. So you see right on top of the lens there, that's a slot for you to insert the mount. So to push it in with a bit of effort. And then you just turn. The mount itself is 360-degree rotatable, so you can turn it multiple directions. And yeah, so once you've got it in there, that's roughly how you orient it to the windscreen. I'm sure you can imagine from this angle here. Alright guys, so here I am in my S-Max. Let me just plug this in. Okay, plug the wire in, and so here that's the startup. It's the startup screen. And yeah, showing me the so the recording is begin as soon as the power is plugged in. So let's just see how it works. All right, so it's it's not a touch screen. So you see this, but all the features are, all the functions are shown here. The buttons are by the side, so you can browse through various. So look at the indication on the screen here, and just press the button by the side. You can even have sound recording, and yeah, press this to enter on or off. So now exit. Go to tire. It even has tire pressure monitoring. Wow, let's check this out. But yeah, I think you have to buy the sensors separately, of course. Right. Driving safety. What do we have here? Calibration. It has lane departure warning system, headlight reminder, driver fatigue alert. Wow. Wait, hang on, sorry. Okay, so this is just a reminder for you to take a break after driving continuously for X number of hours. Okay, you can set 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. You got eco drive indicator here. Not sure how that would work since it's not connected really with the engine. Okay, front collision warning, stop and go. I think this is handy because this is probably the front vehicle departure warning system. Okay, driving safety. Okay, so you have safety cam, parking mode, video recording system, format. You can format the card. Yeah, so I'll just format the card first. Yes. Right. So what do we have here? Start recording. GPS is not fixed. And press this button here to capture the picture. So you can see here, there's a speed indicator here, okay, that tells you how fast you're doing. Well, for whatever reason, the the device is not catching on with the GPS right now. So maybe we'll try this once once I install it later on. So as of now, I have not decided which of my 3 cars to use this on, but once I do, I'll put this up, and I'll revert. I will be posting a separate video to show you some sample footage that it captured along the way. Okay, cheers guys.